It's that super flow, no, she my flow. Yeah, it's that super flow.
So if you guys want to watch this type of video every day, then click that red subscribe button, and hit that bell icon to get notified about every new video I upload in this channel.
What is up guys, what is up? How you guys doing? This is me Bonaet. I'm back with my new video to help you guys out with some methods. Today I'm gonna show you how to make $10 per day with one application called Whaff. This application is awesome to make money easily. This video is for those who wants to earn money without any hard work. And also for those who don't have money to invest. There are some steps to be followed to earn money from this application. So without wasting time, let's dive into the process. All you have to do is just open the Play Store or App Store from your mobile devices. And just search for Whaff Rewards. And here it is. As you guys can see, this app has got 10 million downloads. And have some really good reviews too. After that, just hit that install button. Once the install is completed, then open that application. And here's the app. And this is the interface of this app. Just simply hit that blue Facebook button from left top corner. And log in with your Facebook account. Once you logged in with Facebook, you will see the pop-up like this. And simply fill that CAPTCHA. And enter my invite code EN92809. And you will receive 30 cents instantly to your Whaff account. After that, let me show you my payment proof from Whaff. To see your payment proof, just slide right your app and click on that payout history. And here my payment proof. As you guys can see, I have received that payment into my Skrill account. In March 16, 2017. The payout is completed finally into my Skrill account. To get the payout from Whaff, your PayPal or Skrill account must be verified properly. Otherwise your payout will be cancelled as mine. Okay, let me show you some proof from my Skrill account. Okay, I'm logging into my Skrill account. Let me show you my transactions. I have received this payment 1 year ago in March 2017 from Whaff. As you guys can see here, it's not a fake proof that I'm showing to you. Here you can see I have received from Whaff Corporation Limited $10. Yeah, I hope you guys now believe me. This application actually pays. Okay, let me show you the process to get paid. Just open that application. Then there you will see different menus with different options. Just simply download any of these apps and get paid. Okay, let me show you by installing one application. Just we have to install that one of these application and play it for some minutes. Then after you will get paid. Yeah, here you can see my balance is increasing live. Here's different option that you can do with this application. Just watch videos and make money. And much more. Yeah, you can also download this application named Lock Screen Earning. And make money with it every time you slide it. Okay, let me walk you through on the video. Just install that application. And open it. Just log in with your Facebook account. And you are good to go. You guys will see the locker like this once you install this app. Every time you slide it, you will earn $0.001. Yeah, that's the money coming at your account. You guys even earn more by inviting your friends. The main logic is that if you invite one friend you will get 30 cents. And multiply it with 35 of your friends, you will earn $10.50 per day. The process is simple, just download different application and watch videos and invite friends with different social media to get paid easily. That's simple to earn money, alright. I hope you guys like this video. I will catch you on my next video with different methods. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Happy earnings!